Hello everyone, my name is Vaishali Trivedi and my student ID is 303766729. My topic is reward based self learning for automation. Here I would like to explain what is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is an area of machine learning which concerns with how software agent ought to take actions in an environment in order to maximize the notion of cumulative reward. For example, the computer plays on its own collecting maximum number of fruits while avoiding the collisions. The another one is problem statement. What is problem statement? So in reinforcement learning, we are mainly focusing too much on algorithms and theories. We are making wrong assumptions. So these are the problem statement in reinforcement learning. So mainly our goal is to decrease the loss, which is the gap between the prediction and the target. The another one is objectives. Objectives in real environment, we have complex environment then shown in the examples before, such as self-driving cars, robot walking around, or snake games, which is played by automatic or computer. So in our algorithm, we will play the game each step, saving the initial state, action it took, and the reward it got, and the next state it reached. Then this data will be used to train the neural network. So there is no doubt in the science of advancing machine learning algorithm through research is too much difficult in real reinforcement learning or self learning. Basically, reinforcement learning is a type of self learning, so we called it is a self learning. The another one is reinforcement learning approach or RL approach. In RL approach, the where a system agent or an agent tries to maximize some measure or reward while interacting with a dynamic environment. If an action is followed by an increase in the reward, then the system increase the tendency to produce the actions. So another one is research question. There are some research questions which I found in the articles. The first one is, what is the difference Barnum equation and Q-learning method for solving Markov decision problem in reinforcement learning? What AI? It means artificial intelligence subsections should I choose to make smart decision, etc. So another one is methodology. So here I choose the Markov decision process. So a Markov decision process, it means is if the conditional probability distribution of future states of the process depends only upon the present states, not on the sequence of event that predicted by agent or environment. A process with this property is called the Markov process. For example, consider the conditions shown below. The another one is remember, reply, and act. Remember means it describes the current situation. In our game, the snake will remember the moves made by itself at the time of training to make the better decision. The reply means it is the what an agent can do in each state, and the act means when a robot takes an action in a state in reverse receive rewards. So in our snake game, we will make action from left to right or forward using DQN model. DQN stands for Deep Q-Learning Network. In this literature review, at the end of the project, we noticed that the trained agent would capable to make the score of 25 to 30 on average. So by providing negative reward for each move made by the agent, we can minimize the time to eat fruit every time steps. In decision and implementation of research, we can add one more variable to increase the speed of the gameplay at each iteration after eating the food. We will also try to change the shape of environment from square to rectangle or circle and observe the difference between the score in the environments. In conclusion, I would like to conclude that this type of AI system can be extensively used in fields like robotics and self-driving cars. And the RL technology is one of the prime focus area in field of artificial intelligence today. Here are my references. Thank you.